all of you. My name is Shayush Agarwal. Today I am demonstrating my project named Speedrunner. In this game, player has to move speedily and complete all the levels as fast as possible. It includes three levels. First is easy, second is medium, and third is difficult level. All this level completed in a given period of time. And if a player collides with an obstacle, it will restart the current level, and if we complete all the levels in a given period of time, it will show your credit page and quit the application. This is my project welcome screen. We will start the game. First we click on the button start and the player will move left or right. We will control this player with left or right keys and A and D. If we collide with the obstacle, it will start the current level like this. And this is the most difficult level of this game. And if here we complete all three levels and we'll show the credit screen and quit on the button.